This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right.
On time.
It's tricky. It's uptight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky.
Hello, second grade, and welcome to STEM Magic. We're gonna do a little physics magic here. I'm gonna make that penny go into that cup without touching the penny. One move. All I can do is do one move, and I cannot touch the penny, but I need the penny to fall into the cup. How am I gonna do that? With force, of course. Yay! Now the secret to this trick is to use your flicker sideways. If you flick it up, it's gonna pop up and maybe flip over. If you flip down, kind of the reverse. So you wanna flick sideways, straight across the top of the cup here. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Penny in the cup trick. Now it's your turn.
Side. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. How is it, D? Tricky, 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 tricky. It's tricky to rock around. To rock.
And we have some, meatloaf. And normally it would be a fork, but that's too pointy, so we're gonna use a spoon. And everything else should stay the same. In goggles on, safety goggles on. 3, 2, 1.
When I wake up, people take up mostly all of my time.
Well, what do we have here? A delicious meal of invisible soup. We're just gonna pretend like there's some soup in there. This magic trick is the old classic. Remove the tablecloth without spilling your food, your drink, and whatever else. So, of course, for safety's sake, we don't have any real liquids in there or any sharp objects, so that these are metal, so you need to be careful. We're going to wear safety goggles while doing this activity. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay. Same trick, but this time we're going to try it with a little bit heavier object. So this is still relatively safe, and it's a bowl of Kleenex. The spoons seem to work pretty well, so we're going to leave those there. And then I've got my juice box over here. I hope that doesn't bonk me in the head. Again, wearing safety goggles. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So, what's the trick? How do we do it? Well, a couple things. I notice that one side of this is slippery and shiny, and the other, not so much. So I'm thinking if I put the shiny side up, then the objects at rest will continue to stay at rest because they slide hopefully across the slippery side there. Also, the less tablecloth, the better. So I'm not gonna hang it, let's see, all the way off the edge, because that just makes it more tablecloth to have to get through. So instead, using the camera as my assistant here, I'm gonna just do so. It looks like a lot of tablecloth, but it's not. Then I've got my bowl of Kleenex soup here. And then I've got my heavy spoons and my juice box. And so the first part is make sure you're not too far over the edge. Make sure the shiny side is up. I think that's how it works better. And then you want to pull straight down as quickly as you can. You have to commit to this one. You can't halfway through and decide you're gonna slow down. Here we go. Magic tablecloth trick in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, correction. Last year I think we used paper plates because they have a smooth, relatively smooth bottom. And we have some, meatloaf. And normally it would be a fork, but that's too pointy, so we're gonna use a spoon. And everything else should stay the same. In goggles on, safety goggles on. 3, 2, pulling straight down. 1. Ta-da!